the exam, so yung exam nyo, wow.
Wait lang.
Wow, sabi nyo, ayaw nyo, walls lang. Practicum lang.
Dali na yun. Pichay.
Tapos yung art. Next, let's proceed to the health. Mental health. Mental health. Mental health. Okay.
Tulog lahat tao dito ha.
We have, there's one that's about for the, look at the student in the picture about this crisis. Feeling good about yourself and feeling good so, right? Others, what is the student all about? To feel
Dyan.
good about yourself. You're assuming responsibility for maintaining your own health and promoting your own well-being. At the end of this unit, the student is expected to define mental health, identify and describe the characteristics of healthy mind, identify and explain the factors that affect mental health, identify the mental disease, and the preventive measures.